Hey everyone, Mark Donovan here from HomeEditionPlus.com. Do you have a toilet with a toilet handle that has a lot of play in it? You have to kind of jiggle it to flush it, and when you do flush it, you don't get much of a real flush. Well, I'm going to show you how to fix that problem in about 2 minutes. So you can see here we have a lot of play in the handle. And when we flush, we're not going to get a complete flush or as good of a flush if we get rid of some of that play. And watch here. And so that water went down only about an inch and a half before the flapper valve closed down. So we didn't get a great flush. We had all that slop and play in the handle. We're going to fix that. So with this particular model, we just have this little bit of a clasp here that we have to open up and slide it off the arm of the handle. And then I'm basically shortening up the chain. So we'll remove this clasp from the chain, and then we'll bring it down several more linkages or links in the chain to shorten that chain length and thus give more travel when we hit the handle. So I'm going to bring this up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, maybe 11. We'll do 11, the 11th chain link. So we clip it on there like that. Now we reclip it to the handle of the arm. It's going to flush here for a minute. I'm going to check it. Okay, so you can see here when I pull on the handle a little bit, we have little play at all. So now I can flush, and got a nice flush. Got at least 2 to 3 inches, maybe 3 inches now of water from the tank going into the bowl. And as a result, we got a better flush, and we don't have all that slop and jiggling chain. So it only took me 2 minutes to fix this toilet, and it required no tools. If you like this video, make sure to click on the like button at the bottom of the screen and subscribe to our channel. And if you have other home improvement questions, make sure to visit HomeEditionPlus.com.